Semester 4, Elective Paper 2, Technology Mediated English. In this, we have 5 units. Unit 1, World Wide Web and Email, www, FAQs, Email, Internet, Searching the Internet and Search FAQs, the Internet as a resource bank and classroom tool, email projects and discussion list. Unit 2, we have Introduction to Net Part 1, Introduction to Net Part 2. In Unit 3, Strange News, Making News, Ecotourism. Unit 4, Writing Projects, Online Groups, Blogs and Wikis, Email Projects and Discussion List. Unit 5, A Good Book, Puzzle Maker, Web Quest, Professional Development Online. My dear students, let us start the classes from Unit 1, Topic, World Wide Web and Email, www, FAQs, Email, Internet. First of all, you should know what is Technology Mediated English. Let us see the explanation for Technology Mediated English. Technology Mediated English teaching offers many potential benefits to learners. These include wider exposure to English. For learners whose exposure to English is limited, the Internet allows them to extend their exposure to English beyond the classroom, both to authentic and instructional materials. This is known as Technology Mediated English or Technology Mediated Language. What is World Wide Web? The World Wide Web is known as WWW, Web or W3, is the universe of network, accessible information, the embodiment of human knowledge. The World Wide Web began as a networked information project at CERN, where Tim Berners-Lee, now the director of the World Wide Web Consortium, developed a vision of the project. In simple, the World Wide Web is part of the Internet that contains websites and web pages. It was invented in 1989 by Tim Berners-Lee at CERN, Geneva, Switzerland. WWW stands for World Wide Web, generally known as the web. It is accessed through the Internet that contains lots of information which includes images, videos, pages and other online information. The users access the information from www by using application. Software is called a web browser. The functions of www. The functions of www as an application layer protocol that is run on top of the internet, helping to make it more functional. The roles of internet. The internet, the most useful technology of modern times, which helps us not only in our daily lives but also in professional lives. For educational purposes, it is widely used to gather information and to do research or add to the knowledge of various subjects. Internet plays a very important role in education. My dear students, hope you understood the classes for World Wide Web and the importance of internet and the roles of internet in our day-to-day life. We'll see it in the next video. Thank you.